guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. Today I'm going to show you guys some new hair. It is from Free Trust Equal. This hair is their Remixx half up and half down. It's with a drawstring and a full cap, so it's like that two-piece method where you get the ponytail piece and you get the half wig piece. This one is in the color GD 427, and this unit is called Spotlight. So it looks like you can wear the wig as a half wig, you can wear it half up, half down, and you can wear it as a ponytail as well. So this is what the half wig is looking like. This color is really, really pretty. It's a really nice dark 1B or even 1 mixed with like a 27 and a 30. The waves look really pretty. I like them. Let's see the construction. So this is a half wig. Just wanted to do a voiceover for this part to tell you the cap construction. It's 2 combs at the top, 2 combs at the nape, at the ears, and 1 comb at the nape of the neck. You have a drawstring here. Let's check out the ponytail piece. Oh look, it gives you a bobby pin. That's really thoughtful because a lot of times you can't find your bobby pins. And the construction for this is you have a side comb on the side and a comb at the top, 2 small ones. And then you have your elastic band, and then you have your wraparound piece, and it even comes with a bobby pin. So let's go ahead and give this wig a try. I actually had red hair a while ago, but I colored my hair jet black. This is my first time having jet black hair in my life. I know that's hard to believe, but I've never dyed my hair jet black before. I've only ever had my natural 1B hair color, and then I've always colored my hair to a lighter warm brown. So my hair is jet black right now, but some of the red is still peeping through. So hopefully that won't interfere too badly with this style, but I think it should work out just fine. So we will start with the half wig. I don't want to put any gel or edge control on my hair first, because once you do that, there's no going back. So we'll start with the half wig so we don't have to use any gel or edge control. I'm gonna put my wig cap on. So I don't have a whole lot of hair left out. Just a little bit for real. For real, just a little bit for real. Hopefully that's enough. I know y'all can see this red still showing up in my hair. Red is a very difficult color to cover. I am going to pull this drawstring piece. Oh, that feels good. Wow. Okay, drawstring. That actually feels really secure. I haven't had a drawstring wig in, y'all, I'm not even gonna hold you. I haven't had a drawstring wig since probably I was like probably like 14, 15, when we were wearing them ponytails. Y'all remember the ponytails. So let's go ahead and comb this back. I don't know if I left enough hair out, y'all. Getting a couple snags, a few little snags, but you know, that tends to happen when hair has blonde in it. Anytime hair has blonde in it, it tends to be a little drier, and you know, you have to do a little bit more. Now to tame these flyaways, we're gonna grab our GLEEmade wax stick. And there you go. Quick, easy half wig. Super fast, less than 10 minutes, you guys. Half wig, done. You're out the door and you're good to go. You can lay your baby hairs if you choose to. So if you want to lay your baby hairs, you can grab your GLEEmade edge control. This edge control brush has makeup in it. It's always so hard to find an edge control brush that doesn't have makeup in it. All right, so grab your edge control. You kind of want to place the baby hairs so that, you know, your coverage is there. So you kind of want to be strategic as to where you're placing your baby hairs. All right, so that's what we're going to do for our half wig. Cute? Do we love it? Do we like it? It's easy. You don't have to work too hard. This is definitely a throw on, you know. You're in your bonnet and your boo says he wants to FaceTime you and you just gotta throw something on real quick. You just gotta throw it on real quick. Like, this is it. This is the look, okay? Now let's go ahead and try the next style, which we're going to do what should we do next? I guess we should do the half up, half down next, and then the last style will be the ponytail. I just realized I forgot to take a picture. Should I put it back on? I'll try to get a still from the video. All right, so half up, half down. I'm so glad my hair is flat ironed. This would be so hard if my hair was not flat ironed. The combs are literally in the perfect locations. Like, you need a comb right here to hold this part down and this part to keep it like flat. So the combs are literally in the perfect locations. You want to spread it out. Look at there. Look at there. How cute is this? This is cute, you guys. I like it. I really like it. This is super cute. I look like a teenager. I absolutely love it. So I actually have a clothing haul I need to record. So I think I'm gonna pause, take some pictures, record the clothing haul, and then I will do the ponytail look last. because I think I want to keep this style for what I need to do right now. How cute is this? I'm in love. I love the color. I love the style. The waves are so cute and it's just so easy. I don't know. I can't say no to this look. I absolutely love it. So I definitely recommend. I'll leave links down below to where you can grab this hair. All right, guys, so I'm back. I know I probably look a little different. I had to do another video, but now I'm going to do the all up ponytail.